Hello guys, from Maestro Tiocopele, welcome back to my channel. We are in one of the most beautiful places in the earth, Hawaii, baby. What I'm gonna do? I'm putting the chef jacket because I didn't came here for vacation. I came here for work. This is gonna be one of the most insane and instructional video. When I say that, I mean because I'm going to basically open a pizza place, but it's not mine. I'm helping these guys from scratch, from zero. Trust me, when I say from zero, these guys, they don't know anything about pizza. And then for me, it's really an honor to transfer the pizza love to these guys from Hawaii, because it really was insane and amazing. But guys, now you have to watch until the beginning. I'm gonna go ahead that way because the ocean. I wanna go on vacation, but I have to go to work. I'm gonna work first and then watch until the end what is gonna happen. Watch until the end. Bye, I'll see you later. Come with me guys. This video is going to be super interesting. Let's go. My friend Vincent always support me. Thank you so much. I'm gonna go to Hawaii. You have any recommendation to eat a good pizza?
It doesn't exist in Hawaii.
We are creating.
We will exist.
Let's go. I finally arrived to Hawaii. Aloha. Okay, we are here finally to check out the space before going to sleep, rest, and tomorrow is gonna be the big day.
Welcome. Check it out.
This guy is the guy what I'm be working with you. So my goal is to train you. So let's get this done. We got the pizza oven over there. We got the pizzarella. This machine is to stretch the pizza in an easy way. Well, before going to sleep, I forgot. Tomorrow we're gonna make some dough. So we're gonna start right now to make some Polish, because the Polish always make it the day before. We got the 5 liters. Come this side. Me. Yeah, you need to learn. So we need the 5 grams of yeast. Then we need 5 grams of honey.
Sea salt?
No.
No.
This is not the dough.
Not the
This
dough,
is the
just
yeast.
the
We need
What
to
did you- what did
prepare
you call it?
Polish.
Polish.
Polish. This is something that you're gonna make every single day to make your dough. It's a pre-fermented dough, but it's gonna make the dough much better than regular dough.
Sounds good.
So now, let's get the flour, please.
Okay.
See this tape here? Cut this tape off. This, remove it, and just pull this off. Now we need 5 kilos of flour.
Go ahead.
Don't be scared. Right. Okay, that's it. So let's mix everything up.
Everything 5, that's easy to remember.
Yes, that's why I make everything easy to understand. So now we cover. We leave it 1 hour at room temperature and then 16 to 24 hours in the fridge, and then it's ready to make the dough. So now we can go rest. Of course, we're gonna put it in the fridge. I want to introduce you a really quick, really fast. This guy is gonna be the general manager of this place.
Yes,
Tell me a little bit about this place. What it's gonna be? You have me helping you to make the best pizza, but they don't know what it's gonna be.
Well, right now we're in Canterbury Kitchen Cove. This is the dining plaza, the new one in Waikiki,
Waikiki,
Yeah.
Hawaii.
Hawaii. Yeah, right across from the Hilton Hawaiian Village.
East.
Right now we're in Kayak
Kayak
Cafe,
Cafe.
and Pizza Pie. Right now we're in the research and development stage and building the pizza menu that my man Vito is helping me out with.
So basically, you have a bunch of different restaurants, all in the. It's like a food court, but fancy, but separate. So that's insane. And it's super easy because the Hilton is that side.
Right there, yeah.
So as soon as they get out from the Hilton, come here and eat the best pizza, best gelato, best
Sushi.
barbecue, sushi. What else you have?
Best breakfast, fried chicken. We're gonna have poke downstairs too. So pretty much every craving that you have, we're gonna be able to.
All the information is gonna be in the description, but it's not over yet. Let's go behind the scenes. Thank you so much, my friend.
So,
So this is the room of the pizza dough. It's very important to have a room where they make dough, because see, we close the door, we're in peace with the pizza dough. It's the most important piece to make the best pizza. You need to focus and stay here, lock the door, and that's how they used to make the pizza in Naples. You need just a table. They have this amazing pizza dough machine, which is 2 speeds. They have the flour, the salt, whatever you need, just dedicated to make the pizza dough. Good morning, guys. Welcome.
Morning.
Ready?
Yep, ready, sir.
Ready to rock and roll. This is the team.
We want to kind of welcome you in.
Oh,
in
thank you
Hawaiian
so
style.
much. Hawaiian
So we
style.
have some lace for you, Vito.
Oh, so I'm gonna work with this. There we go.
Welcome aboard.
Nice.
And we have one more right here.
Nice. I'm feeling Hawaii now. Let's do it. I love Hawaii.
Alright.
But now it's time to get to work.
All right.
Time is short. We need to open the pizza place very soon.
Okay. Tomorrow.
Polish is out. Yes.
Yes.
Let's do the dough.
All right. Ready.
So the first thing to do here, let's start with let's put on the side all the ingredients and let's make the dough. Last night we prepared the Polish, which is this. So like you can see, the Polish, it's nice and full of air, bubbling. So this is the mother yeast.
This is 5 liters of water. We're
Smell.
gonna make it later today too.
Okay.
But it's
This is what makes the pizza light and digestible. Right now we're gonna make the dough. But before starting this, the first ever thing that you do in the morning is take it out of the Polish and turn it on the oven. The oven needs to be always turned on 2 hours before because it needs to be warm. Keep in mind, the oven, it's 80% of the flavor of the pizza. So everything depends on the oven. The oven is on, now it's time to go ahead and make the pizza dough. Let's go, get the flour, salt, scale, and we'll go. So this recipe is super easy because we're gonna make it for 1 bag of flour. So please dump all flour inside the machine. We are ready to make the dough. So we dump the whole remaining flour from the day before. We need to dump off the Polish.
okay.
Yeah,
So dump the polish with the flour.
the whole Polish, voila. Okay, speed 1, the dough is going. Right now, look at this. We turn it on, let's put the whole salt.
While it's mixing.
While I mix, yes, very important. We add half amount of the water. We don't need to be precise, just keep in mind, leave out about 6 liters. So at this point, wait that gets all together. So look what I do. I turn it off and speed number 2. Okay, speed number 2. Right now we add the water, look at this, little by little. Once the water is absorbed, we can go ahead and put more. So right now, go ahead and add the last final water, little by little, everything. Once all this water is absorbed, the dough is finished. So right now it's a very important, this final step. The dough, it's ready. Like you can see, gluten, texture, we have 70% of
So
hydration,
dry.
and the dough is ready.
It's so dry where you're like it just. Whoa.
So we need to do this. That's the steps. Watch this. Oops. Little bit of olive oil in your hands, in the counter. This counter is just to make the pizza, okay? Olive oil in your hands, and you want to take out the dough with your hands, okay? It's gonna be tough. Otherwise, the time that you're gonna cut is gonna stick again. Yeah, I see it now. Okay, go. You don't want to break it. You want to keep it as smooth as possible. And put an extra chunk on top. Make sure you put it on top. So with the spatula, we're gonna try to create a ball. Okay. Put this inside. You see what I'm doing?
Yes.
I'm putting it inside. Okay. You need a little bit of olive oil on top. Put the olive oil on top of the dough to not make the dough dry. So at this point, we need the plastic wrap, but we don't have it.
Okay. What do you do with the plastic wrap?
We put it on top, like this. Okay? Because right now we gotta let it rest for about 30 minutes to 1 hour. Okay, this part is the most complicated one.
Okay.
Making the balls.
Okay.
Okay. Right now we cut this part. You need to keep this part always on top. So if you cut, I don't want to see this. It needs to stay always like that, straight. Okay. Now we cut the dough balls, 280 grams, like that.
Always keep the smooth side up.
Up, always. So at this point we need to make the balls. How we make the balls? Can we make it one like this? So we want to close it like a balloon. Close like a balloon.
And you can go ahead to or
And then-
I'm gonna.
tight.
And then
Yeah.
close it. Close on the bottom. It needs to be nice and tight. Okay? And then you place it on the side right there.
Is that right?
Right there.
Is that right?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay.
Okay, grab more and let's close it. See what I'm doing?
Yeah.
I'm closing like a balloon, and then you can just tie it up on the bottom.
Yeah.
Put it down, and make sure you put this part on top, the smooth part on top.
Okay. So you just keep kneading it inwards.
Yes. No, see what he's doing wrong?
Okay.
You need to cut, and then with the spatula go detach it. We're gonna go ahead and put the dough in the fridge after 20 minutes at room temperature. And this is good for 16 to 24 hours. Okay, so first thing here is we're gonna start to prep everything all together. So I'm gonna show you guys how to make the whole preparation for the menu that I create for those 15, 20 pizzas that we have.
Yeah.
Always prepare the day before. This is the tomato sauce. The tomato sauce, it's simple. Every can of tomato sauce, we put a handful of basil, like that. Then 80 grams of salt, and then a little bit of olive oil. Get the bazooka here. Just a quick mix, that's it. Turn it off,
First one.
then you taste it.
Like, I got it on video.
Fantastic.
It's a Bloody Mary.
Tomato sauce, it's ready. So I think we are good for today for preparation. Dough, we got everything. Look at this: cheese, tomato, for the preparation, basil. Well, we got everything. And I think any question?
We're good.
Tomorrow we're ready to taste the pizza.
Yep, can't wait.
So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and check out this Hawaii place and show you a little bit around, and then I'll see you tomorrow for a big day. Hello guys, day number 3. This today is going to be super interesting day because I got so much to do and so much short time, but something very interesting is happening today. Like you can see, everything is closed, but today to make a very hard training, to make sure that this team is ready, I invited 10 of my fans that I found on the street yesterday to eat and taste the pizza. Good morning guys, how you doing? Everything ready?
Good morning.
Everything ready?
Ciao. Yeah, we're
Today
ready.
is going to be an interesting day because I invite 10 people to come here and test the menu.
We're opening today.
So we're gonna
Okay.
pretend that today is going to be the first day for real. These 10 people, they don't know that we are now open. I just tell them to come here and get the pizza. So they think that this restaurant is open. This way, when they come, they sit, we are ready to take the orders and see their reaction and their feedback about this pizza. Let me put my jacket on, and now I'm officially ready. Voila! Okay, let's get back there and let's get ready to work. What do you think of this idea of bringing 10 people here that you guys are now open yet? Only 2 days of training.
I think it's gonna be a perfect test.
Are you excited?
Yeah. Yeah.
Are you scared?
No, not really.
I'm ready.
Are you
I'm
scared?
excited.
Are you
I think
scared?
we could do it. Oh, not me.
Good.
I'm ready. We're
Okay.
ready.
This
So
is
here I'm training them how to make the pizza. So this is how you stretch by hands just in case the machine breaks down, okay? So basically we press the air to the crust, then we turn it, we press more, and then gently you can go like that, or you can go like this to make it easy. With your knuckle, and you make a large. Voila. We go ahead and we put
olive oil.
olive oil,
on dough.
fry calamari, fresh mozzarella on top. After we put the calamari on the pizza, lemons, which is goes one each slice of pizza. The slice of pizza should be 6, and then a handful of parsley. Done. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put the pizza on top of the peel. One shot. Shake a little bit. Okay, voila, the pizza, it's ready. Did you see? That's the goal of a perfect pizza. Soft and crunchy at the same time. Go, lady first.
None.
Here, no? Taste. Taste.
Eating the lemon.
Taste and shut up. With the lemon, yes. I'll taste with you. With the whole lemon.
Sure. I did already. Vito.
Let's get back to work and let's finalize this menu. We're gonna keep it in the same spot.
Is this why is
If you change spot, you're gonna burn the bottom now. Get good now.
Burn the bottom?
If you change spot, yes. See, you burn the bottom. Watch the bottom.
How do you know?
Look. And now we finish the training. We made a lot of bunches of pizzas here from the menu. And now you guys ready? The customers are coming. Are you sure? Secure? Good?
Yes, we're ready.
We'll see if they're ready. Glad that you guys.
Wonderful to see
But this place is still closed. Like you can see, it's under construction.
Okay,
I've been training these guys for about a few days.
okay.
Come with me. Yeah, sit where you like. So this is the menu right here. Pay attention, the back is just ingredients. It's only one page. It's just pizza. Unfortunately, we have just pizza.
You got it.
You want to take the order? Let's go. Come with me.
You want the
Lavito.
Lavito?
Lavito. Capricciosa. Lavito, capriccioso. You?
Capture again.
With tartufata, with the white pizza with truffle. They order 8 pizzas. All 8 pizzas are all different.
There's also
So
a
let's get in
request for the
action
red flour.
and let's make this happen. Okay, here we go guys. Let's go ahead and let's bring the pizzas. Okay, ready. Keep in mind, these guys, they've been training only 2 days, okay? They made it all.
Yeah, good.
So the margherita,
Over here, yeah?
lavito, pistachio and mortadella for you. The tartufo, it's yours. The table, it's complete. And okay guys, to finish, I'm gonna go ahead and give some dessert pizzas to these guys. You guys did so great job.
Thank you.
And let's see what their feedback. And for this, I think if they are good, I think we are good with the training. You guys can start to open this pizza place.
Sounds good.
Okay guys, we just got some dessert pizza here. Guys, this is
Amazing. Wow. Is it the same dough?
this. Yeah, same dough. You just pull one. That's how you eat it.
Okay.
What do you guys think of the pizza?
This is amazing.
It's approved or not?
It's very good. Very, very good.
But thank you so much guys for watching.
Thank you very much.
Subscribe
Thank you.
and like. Ciao.
Wow.